Today we're looking at part number K21-259-00. This is your bolt-on Fortress 9,000 through 12,000 pound replacement aluminum cap by Dexter. It comes with the bolt-on aluminum cap, the rubber plug. It has a side-filled plug right here. It comes with the gasket, and it comes with the 6 screws. These are going to be on the newer style Dexter hubs that bolt in. Most of them you see screw in, but they started coming out with these bolt-in ones like the semis have. So this is going to be your replacement cap for your 12,000 pound, most commonly 12,000 pound trailer axles for Dexter. You can get these at TrailerPartsUnlimited.com, or you can give us a call at 844-898-8687.